Okay, so today's we'll do unboxing BWT base water technology cartridge. This is for soft filtered water extra, and I buy 3 cartridges in one package. So and yep, this is, you can see the how to use, how to manage this stuff into your jug. And yeah, I'm buying this many times, and you can see a lot of feature to filter some bacteria from the water. Okay, this is good, and let's open. Can open from this side. And what you can get is a card and 3 of the cartridge. Yep, that's all that you got, nothing else. And we can open this. We can open this one. So this is the shape. Oh, something leak, so you have to clean it first. As you can see in the guidance of this picture, you have to do something. You have to clean up this cartridge 3 minutes, then getting out, and then heat up for 1 minute, and then try to pour something for 1 time, and then after that you can use this. So this is not really an instant use. You have to do something to manage this by cold water and then hot water, and then use in 1 cycle, and then yeah, after that you can use it. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you.